To cite a scholarly journal article found online but not in a database, we will begin with the author information. We will present the author's last name. We will then include a comma. Next, we will provide the author's first initial. If the author's middle initial is given, we should provide that as well. Finally, we end the author portion of the citation with a period. If you have two authors, your citation will look like this. After the initial author, we will include a comma, an ampersand, and then present the second author's name. Please note that this name is also given last name and then first initial. If the text says 3 or more authors, we will repeat this pattern. If an article you are citing has more than 19 authors, you will provide the first 19 authors, then provide an ellipsis, 3 periods, and then list the last author. It is important to note that for more than 19 authors, you do not include an ampersand before the last author's name. Once we have provided all the author information, we will then provide the year of publication. The year of publication should be presented in parentheses and will be followed with a period. The next piece of information to include is the article title. Within the title of the article, there are only 3 words that we capitalize: the first word of the article, the first word of any subtitle, and any proper nouns. Everything else is lowercase. We then conclude the article title section with a period. The next piece of information is the journal title. The journal title must be italicized. Also, as opposed to the article title, the journal title is capitalized normally. We then end the journal title section with a comma. The next section of the entry will be the journal's volume and issue numbers. The volume number is a large group of journals, usually published over the course of a year. The issue number is the specific publication in which we found our article. Therefore, we will provide the volume number first, which will be in italics. We will then provide the issue number in parentheses. This will not be in italics. We will end the volume and issue number section with a comma. This brings us to the article's page numbers. We will provide the all-inclusive page numbers for where the article can be found. This will then be followed by a period. The final portion of the citation is the retrieval information. Since online content can be changed, we must provide references to when and where we retrieved this article. We will begin by typing the word retrieved. We will then provide the month, day, and year that we accessed the article. Be sure to punctuate this date appropriately. We will then type the word from and give the URL address where we found the article. We will then end the citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from online scholarly journal articles that cannot be found in databases.